Welcome back to my channel. My name is Corrie. Today I am going to walk you through my minimalist perfume collection. My signature fragrance is the Burberry Brit Rhythm for Her Eau de Toilette. It's described as a lively floral fragrance with an unexpected powdery twist. A rush of British lavender, intoxicating orange blossom, and vetiver. And this 90ml bottle retails for about 110 Canadian dollars. I discovered this scent when I was photographing the bottle for a magazine, and it reminded me of a piano teacher that I used to have. Kind of an old lady scent. Very powdery, very clean, very nostalgic for me. I really love it a lot. Another favorite scent of mine is the Jolie Fleur Rose from Tory Burch. It's described as feminine and romantic. It's a classic rose essence and fresh tea rose, made modern with woodsy cashmeran and musk. It also has green sap accord, strawberry leaves accord, violet, white amber, and sandalwood. You can purchase a 50ml bottle for $108, but I opted for a rollerball for 34 Canadian dollars after getting a little trio of samples from the Jolie Fleur collection. The other scents in the collection are the Jolie Fleur Bleu and the Jolie Fleur Verte, which are inspired by Lily of the Valley and tuberose. And finally, the last scent in my collection is Tea Garden. Tea Garden is a blend of green tea and white floral notes with a hint of amber and patchouli. It is described as a light, fresh, and feminine scent. I got this 50ml bottle for $30, and I discovered this scent from YouTube. Lucy and her channel Lupsy is from the Netherlands, and she has a bunch of historical and women of note throughout history video series. And I love these fresh feminine scents, so I thought I would support her and purchase her perfume. And that is a look at my perfume collection. Definitely let me know your signature scent or any other favorites that you might have down in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks of course to my Patreons for bringing these videos to you guys. If you want to help support my channel, make sure you give this video a like and a share, and you can always look into becoming a Patreon as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.